phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a sure good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.
Hello, my jolly learners at home. Today you are going to learn the next letter sound with me, Jolly Abbas. Let's have a look. But before we start the real lesson, let us revise like 1 or 2 sounds that we have learned already. Okay, children, do you remember what sound is this? Great! J. Say it again. J. Good. So what about this letter sound? Can you tell me what letter sound is this? Very good. Oh! Thank you. Story, story. Story. Do you like my story? Yes. The bee buzzes around the flowers, making the sound zzz. Making what sound? Zzz. Can we do it together, children? Okay, you stand up. Are we ready to go? Are you set to go with me? Okay, join me. 1, 2. Zzz. One more. Zzz. Very good. So from this short story, can you tell me the sound that bee produced in the story? Great. Zzz sound. So can you show me the action that bee did in the story? Zzz. Fantastic. So this is the sound we are learning today. The sound is zzz. Very good. Say it again. Zzz. Fantastic. So children, remember in the previous lessons we made mention that when you see 2 letters that have the same sound are put together, it is only necessary to say the sound once. So what happened here? If you look at this, it's what? You see double z sound. But when we come to read in a word, can we produce these 2 sounds as z, z? Can we read it this way? No. We said it once as z, one sound. So this is one sound and this is one sound. Is that taken? So children, let us look at the formation of this letter sound. Firstly, on the board, before we write this letter sound, can you tell me that this letter sound is giraffe, monkey tail, or turtle letter sound? Great, turtle letter sound, because there is no neck and no tail. So we are going to write this letter sound in between the 2 blue lines. Here we go. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. Let us take it again. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. One more. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. Very good. So children, let us write the letter sound we are learning today in the air using our magic pencil. Ready to go? So bring out your magic pencil. Exactly, your finger is your magic pencil. So take it off. Are we set to go? 1, 2. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. One more. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. Very good. Roll for yourself. roll. Very good. So let us look at the formation section in our Jolly Phonics People book. Yes, we are still on page 25. So in this section, remember to use your pencil, not magic pencil. Are we ready to go? I will help you trace 1 or 2, and then you trace the remaining ones yourself. Here we go. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. Shall we try the next one together? Okay. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. Very good. So you trace these 3. And then these points you see separately are your own starting point to practice writing your own, children. Shall I join you and write 1? Here we go. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. One more. Start from the point. Zig, zag, zig. Is that clear? Great. So you write the remaining ones in your Jolly Phonics People book formation section. Good. So children, let us quickly look at the words that contain the letter sound we are learning today. So in this section, do you remember? Yes, of course, blending section. So the first word here, we are going to track the sound for the first word. So when I put my finger, you also put your finger beneath the letter sound and you produce the sound. At the end, we track them together. I mean, we track the sounds and then we read the word. 1, 2, go. Z, a, p. All together, zap. Very good. So look at the next word, children. When I touch the sound button, you produce the sound. Let's go. B, a, z. Okay. Can we put them together? Let's go. Buzz. Great. Can you read it again? B, a, z. Together. Buzz. Very good, children. So let me write 1 more word or 2 on the board. Okay. So children, bring out your reading instruments. Can we go together? E, z. Together. Fizz. Children, we can also sing and read this word. I mean, we can use blending song and read this word. So here we go. F and E together make fi. Fi, fi, fi. When you get z and put it at the end, fi, z, make fizz. Can you hear it? Fi, z, make fizz. Very good. So let us look at the next word and the last word for this section. Okay, children. Reading instrument out. 1, 2, go. Z, e, s, t. Blend them together. Zest. Very good. Okay. We can sometimes use 4-letter sound blending song or read. For example, you can say, I have 4 sounds now. They are z, e, s, t. I have 4 sounds. Now they are z, e, s, t. When I join them together, I have a word. The word is zest. 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 The word is zest. Z, e, s, t is zest. I have 4 sounds. Now they are z, e, s, t. When I join them together, I have a word. The word is zest. 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 The word is zest. Z, e, s, t is zest. Z, e, s, t is zest. Z, e, s, t is zest. So let us look at these 4 pictures in our Jolly Phonics pupil book. Yes, of course, page 25. Can you look at it? 3 of these pictures contain the sound Z we are learning today, and 1 does not. Let's find out. Can you touch the first picture and this? Can you touch the first picture in this section? Great! What is the name of this picture? Not monkey. Look at it again. Great! Zebra. Do you hear Z sound in zebra? Great! But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Very good. It appears in the beginning. Yes, of course, at the beginning. So can you remember to color this picture? And the next picture is, look at it very well. Dog. Do you hear a Z sound in dog? Z sound in dog? Fantastic. No, there is no sound Z in the word dog. So what shall we do? Cross it out. And the next picture is, very good, zip. Do you hear a Z sound in zip? Very good. But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Yes, I agree, is zip, and I can hear the sound. But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? You hear the Z sound. Great, at the beginning. And the last picture is, yes, you color this one, you color the picture. And the last picture is what? Zigzag. Very good. So do you hear Z sound in zigzag? Well done. Yes, there is the sound Z we are learning in the name of this picture. But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Yes, at the beginning and somewhere in the middle. Very good. So you color the picture. Before we finish this lesson, I'm going to test you a very quick test. Get ready. I'm going to use actions. And when I do an action, you write the letter sound in your exercise book. You ready? Is that taken? Next one. Is that taken? And the next one. And the last one. Have you taken it? So put these sounds together and read the word for me. Zest. Fantastic. You are learning very well. So children, let us look at the jolly song of the letter sound we learned today.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this.
Thank you very much, jolly children, and see you next time. Bye bye.
Jolly Phonics for every today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics, for every child today. Jolly phonics for me.